Wall art has evolved into a prominent form of expression in home decor, bridging the gap between the aesthetic and the personal. And this evolution reflects much more than changing design trends. It tells a story about how people connect with their spaces, their values, and themselves. In today's homes, walls are no longer just structural boundaries. They are emotional canvases that communicate identity, mood, and memory. From ancient cave paintings to modern minimalist installations, wall art has always been a reflection of human expression. But in the contemporary world, it has taken on a more intimate and intentional role. People no longer decorate simply to fill empty spaces. They curate walls to express who they are, what they love, and how they want to feel in their surroundings. At the heart of this transformation is the growing desire for personalization. Mass-produced decor still exists, but there is a noticeable shift toward art that feels meaningful and unique. Wall art has become a way for individuals to tell their own stories through textures, materials, symbols, and handcrafted elements that resonate on a personal level. This is where natural materials, especially wood, have gained remarkable importance. Wood carries warmth, history, and authenticity. Its natural grain patterns, subtle imperfections, and organic textures make each piece one of a kind, allowing wall art to feel alive rather than manufactured. When someone chooses wooden wall art, they are often choosing a sense of grounding, a connection to nature, and a quiet elegance that transcends trends. The appeal of wall art lies in its ability to transform a space instantly. A blank wall can feel cold or unfinished, but the right piece of art can change the entire energy of a room. Wooden wall art, in particular, has the power to soften spaces, making them feel inviting and calm. Whether placed in a living room, bedroom, workspace, or hallway, it adds depth and character without overwhelming the environment. This balance between visual interest and subtlety is what makes wooden wall art so versatile and widely loved. It fits seamlessly into modern homes, rustic interiors, minimalist spaces, and even industrial settings, adapting effortlessly while maintaining its natural charm. As wall art continues to evolve, it has also become a meaningful opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. The growing appreciation for handmade, sustainable, and nature-inspired decor has opened doors for artists and craftspeople to turn their skills into profitable ventures. Wooden wall art sits at the intersection of accessible craftsmanship and market appeal, making it an ideal creative path for those who want to combine passion with income. Unlike large furniture pieces, wall art often requires less material, less space, and simpler tools, which makes it approachable for beginners. Yet despite its simplicity, it carries high perceived value, especially when thoughtfully designed and well-finished. The process of creating wooden wall art is as rewarding as the final piece itself. It begins with raw wood, sometimes reclaimed, sometimes freshly cut, each piece carrying its own personality. As the wood is shaped, carved, layered, or assembled, the artist enters a quiet dialogue with the material. The grain guides decisions, knots inspire design adjustments, and textures suggest how light will interact with the surface. This organic process cannot be fully replicated by machines, which is why handmade wall art feels so authentic. Viewers and buyers can sense the care and intention behind each piece, and that emotional connection is what elevates it from decoration to art. From a design perspective, wooden wall art offers endless creative possibilities. It can be bold or subtle, detailed or minimal, abstract or symbolic. Some pieces tell stories through layered forms and carved details, while others rely on simple geometry and negative space to create visual harmony. This flexibility allows creators to explore their own style while still appealing to a broad audience. Nature lovers are drawn to organic shapes, leaf patterns, landscapes, and animal forms, while modern art enthusiasts may prefer clean lines and sculptural compositions. Wooden wall art effortlessly bridges these preferences, making it a powerful medium for reaching diverse markets. What truly makes wall art a compelling business opportunity is its emotional value. People buy wall art not out of necessity, but out of desire. They are investing in how they want their space to feel. A wooden wall piece can evoke calm, warmth, inspiration, or nostalgia, depending on its design and placement. This emotional response is what drives purchasing decisions and creates lasting appreciation. When buyers connect emotionally with a piece, they are more likely to value it, recommend it, and return for more. For creators, understanding this emotional aspect is just as important as mastering the technical skills. The rise of mindful living and sustainable choices has further strengthened the appeal of wooden wall art. Many people today are seeking decor that aligns with their values, preferring natural materials over synthetic ones and handmade pieces over factory-produced items. Wood, especially when responsibly sourced or reclaimed, represents sustainability and respect for nature. This ethical dimension adds another layer of meaning to wall art, making it especially attractive to conscious consumers. Art that tells a story of renewal, craftsmanship, and care for the environment resonates deeply in a world increasingly focused on balance and well-being. For viewers watching a creative journey unfold, wall art becomes more than just an object. It becomes an idea they can imagine themselves exploring. Seeing how simple tools and thoughtful design choices lead to beautiful results helps remove the fear that often surrounds creative pursuits. The process feels achievable, encouraging people to experiment, learn, and grow. This sense of accessibility is crucial because it transforms inspiration into action. When craftsmanship feels within reach, creativity becomes empowering rather than intimidating. Presentation also plays a significant role in how wall art is perceived. The way a piece is displayed, on a clean wall, in natural light, paired with plants or neutral furnishings, helps viewers visualize it in their own homes. This visualization is a powerful bridge between inspiration and purchase. It allows people to imagine how the art will interact with their daily lives, turning admiration into desire. For creators, this understanding helps shape not only the art itself, but also how it is shared and showcased. As wall art continues to evolve, it reflects a broader shift toward intentional living. People are choosing fewer, more meaningful objects rather than filling their spaces with excess. Wooden wall art fits perfectly into this mindset, offering beauty, warmth, and purpose without clutter. It becomes a focal point that invites reflection rather than distraction. This timeless quality ensures that well-crafted wall art remains relevant even as trends change, making it a sustainable creative and business choice. If you are enjoying this exploration of wall art and finding inspiration in the idea of blending creativity with meaning, your engagement truly matters. Liking, sharing, and commenting helps creative content reach more people who are searching for inspiration, calm, and new possibilities. Every interaction supports the growth of creative communities and encourages more people to explore accessible craftsmanship and artistic expression. Wall art's evolution into a powerful form of personal expression speaks to our desire for connection, authenticity, and beauty in our everyday lives. Wooden wall art, with its natural warmth and versatility, stands as a perfect example of how art can be both deeply personal and widely appealing. It shows that accessible craftsmanship can meet market appeal in a way that is honest, inspiring, and sustainable. Whether admired for its aesthetic value, created as a form of self-expression, or embraced as a profitable creative path, wooden wall art continues to enrich spaces and lives, reminding us that even the simplest materials can carry profound meaning when shaped with intention and care.